Welcome back to the lesson. In our last video, we have successfully updated our admin's information, and in this video, we're going to be adding a toast message to our admin's profile update page. So let's go ahead and begin the process. If you go inside of your project's exercise file, you're going to see a file called toast.txt. So you're going to go ahead and open that file, and inside of the file, you're going to see the toaster code, which is right here. As you can see, we're going to be needing the CSS link and also the JavaScript link and then the toast JavaScript code. So let's go ahead and begin by copying our CSS link. Let's go ahead and copy this, go back to our project source code, and then we're going to go ahead and navigate to our dashboard page, our main dashboard page. This is where we're going to be pasting it inside our header section like so. Let's go ahead and paste it right here. Let's go ahead and see word wrap like so. Let me provide a comment that says toast link like so, and yes, this is our toaster CSS link. Now let's get back to our file, and then let's go ahead and copy our JavaScript starting from here to here, and let's go ahead and copy like so. And then come down inside of our admin's dashboard, down here before the body closing tag, like so, and then let's go ahead and paste it. Yes, something like this. As you can see in here, we have different toaster type. We have info, we have success, we have one, and we have error toaster type. So we're going to be using each and every one of them based on the kind of message we wanted to display onto our page. So now, after placing our toaster code inside of our project, let's go ahead and save it first. And now we can go ahead and start using our toaster message. So let's get back to our admin's controller. Now here, after saving our data, we wanted to go ahead and create the message. We go and say notification should be equal to array like so. And then inside of the array, we have the message, meaning the message that we wanted to display, which in my case here, I would like to say since it's admin's profile update, I'm going to give a message that says admin profile updated successfully. Yes, something like this. This should be my message. And then the second data will be our alert type, which is right here. As you can see, alert type. Let me even go ahead and copy it from here. Alert type should be one of this, either success, info, warning, or error. So since this our toaster message is going to be shown after successfully updating our admin's profile, so we're going to go ahead and use one of these success like so, success alert type, and then I'm going to go ahead and pass it to our redirect with the with method, with like so, and then pass our notification. Let's go ahead and copy this, paste it right here, and now let's go ahead and save this, save, and let's go ahead and give it a try. Let's go ahead and see. Now let's refresh our page. Okay, now let's go ahead and update our admin's information. Let's say admin 222 like so, and then let's go ahead and say update. Yes, as you can see, now we have our toaster message that says admin's profile updated successfully, which is exactly the message that we specify here as our message and alert type to success. That's why we are having a green toaster method. Let's go ahead and take a look one more time. Let's update it back and say update profile. Yes, as you can see, it's a very nice and good looking toaster message. So let me actually go ahead and add it to our login. And I think it's about time for me to add a toaster method to our login, because if you go ahead and log out, let's go ahead and log out. And let's go ahead and log in with 111. As you can see, there's no any message, so I wanted to have a toaster message that says admin login successfully when we log in. So let's go ahead and add that, since we have already implemented the toaster method in our project. So to do that, we need to go ahead and trace our admin's login controller, which can be found inside of our app controllers authenticated session controller. So inside of our authenticated session controller, this is actually our store method that actually redirects us to our dashboard. So let's go ahead and copy this. Let me go ahead into the admin controller and copy our notification like so. Copy this and come back to our authenticated session controller right after the session regenerate. Let's go ahead and paste this. And then this time around, we wanted to print a message that says admin login successfully, like so, and the alert type should also be success. And then let's go ahead and pass our notification right here. Let's go ahead and say intended route, like so, say with our notification like this. Now let's go ahead and save this. Save. And now let's go ahead and refresh our page. Okay, now let's go ahead and log out. Okay, let's log back in to see 1 2 3. Sorry, 111. Let's log in. And yes, now we have our toaster for our login that says admin login successfully. How cool is this? So friend, I hope everything is clear to you in this video. Now I hope you understand how to add a toaster method to your Laravel project. And friend, that will be it for this video. In our next video, we're going to discuss about the admin's password reset functionality. We're going to be creating another view through which our admin can update his password. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.